Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Miss Yu Lin and I'm part of the Boys and Girls Club of Metro Los Angeles. And today for STEM, you guys are going to be doing this activity where you grow your own rainbow. And we are also going to learn about something called capillary action. I will explain this more later on, but just know that capillary action is when water travels from different surfaces. So this experiment is going to be really fun and you'll only need a few supplies. So follow along as we begin this activity. The materials you will need are 2 cups filled halfway with water, some washable markers, make sure they are washable, some paper towels, and lastly you will need a ruler. Begin by grabbing a sheet of paper towel and folding it in half. Once you are done folding it in half, grab a ruler and measure it out to 7.5 inches. If it's too long, cut it with scissors. Next, grab your washable markers and start coloring in your paper towel. We are creating a rainbow, so use the colors that are on a rainbow. As you can see, I'm coloring in a rectangular shape using my washable markers. We are going to do this with all of our colors, and make sure your rectangle shapes are only around 2 inches. We want the center of our paper towel to be blank because later on our rainbow is going to connect. When you are done coloring in your rainbow, this is how it should look on one side. Remember to also color in the other side using the same colors. Later on, when we use water, our rainbow is going to connect. Here is the part where our experiment comes in. Grab 2 cups and fill them halfway with water, and place them 2 inches apart. Then place each end of your paper towel in a cup. It should look like this when you are done. Look closely at your paper towel. What do you notice? If done correctly, you'll notice that the colors from your paper towel start traveling up, and soon they will meet in the middle. This process of the water moving up on the paper towel is called capillary action. The paper towel is made from fibers, and the water is able to travel through the gaps in the fibers. The gaps in the paper towel act like capillary tubes and pull the water upward. Another way to think about capillary action is through plants. When you put water on a plant, the water travels through the roots and reaches the top of the plant. Can you think of other ways that capillary action can happen? Capillary action occurs pretty commonly in our everyday lives. So next time, take a look at your surroundings and see when it happens. This is what our rainbow should look like when it is done. What did you learn from doing this activity? Thank you for joining me, everyone, and please check back for next week's STEM activity.